Okay, guys. So currently we are discussing about the topic called functions. In that functions, we have already completed. Okay, there is a string functions. String is nothing but okay, string is nothing but text functions. Next, we have started a mathematical functions. Then after that, some date functions. So then after, what is the functions we have started? Conversion functions. What is the topic we are discussing? Conversion functions. Conversion functions means what, guys? Converting from one data type to another data type, another data type. So in this, what is the main three functions we have? We have three functions only, guys, here. What is that? ToChar function. There is a function called ToChar, and the second one is toDate. Okay, toDate. And the last one is what? To, okay, to underscore number. These three functions only, right? But within these three functions, we have different categories. Okay, so what is the category we have completed yesterday? Wait 1 minute. Guys, is there any background noise from my end? Any
No, Shahrukh.
confirm me clearly. If you have any little sound also, you can let me know. I hope no. If yes means say I'll no, right?
No.
Okay, fine. Okay, guys. So coming to this category, guys. So there is a three type of functions: ToChar functions, toDate, toNumber functions. Okay. So in ToChar function, so we are started with the ToChar function. Okay. So converting date to character type. Okay. So what is the first category we have started? Converting. Okay. Converting date to which type? Character data type. For that, what is the function we have used? What is the function? ToChar function. Okay. In this ToChar function, what? Okay. In this ToChar, okay. In this ToChar function, we have passed what? Date. Okay. Like this, guys. Okay. Yesterday, you remember or not? ToChar. Okay. In this, for example, if you take this date, and then we have to give the format. Like first, you want the date or month or year. So why we convert? We convert this to represent dates in a different formats. Okay, this is what we have seen. Now reverse to this, guys. Now reverse to this, guys. What is that? There is a date strings, guys. There is a date strings. Generally, we call them as a date strings. Now, what is converting? Okay, date string to date. Okay, simply in simple words, what is the meaning, guys? I am converting date string to date. For example, if I am converting anything from another data type to date data type, what will be the function, guys? ToDate function. Okay, what is that? ToDate function. So first of all, now we will get confused. What is this date string? We know the string, we know the date, but what is this date string? This is what you have confusion, right? No confusion.
Yes, we have confusion.
Yeah, please.
Yes,
Okay. Yeah. See, guys, this is called date string. This is called date string. Means I told you, right? Yesterday I told you one thing. If you remember, if you write anything inside a single quote, that is nothing but what? Text only. Initially, the primary conclusion, the primary thing is it is a text only. Okay. Just give me 1 minute, guys. Just 1 minute. See, guys, what I mean to say, if we write anything under single quotes is will be treated as okay text. Okay, text. Now, what is this or generally what we call text or string, guys? Both are same. No need to confuse. Now, what is a date string means? Within this single quotes, if you have dates like this, like 05, okay, 02, okay, 1995, or else 1996, or anything, guys, anything. Okay, so this is called date string, guys. Date string. Date string means Basically, it is a text only. But what is the text available inside this? What is the text? It is nothing but date, right? Means this is considered as a text only, guys, since it is in a single quote. But what type of a string it is? What type of a text it is? Date string or
Date.
date text? That is what, guys. See, if you have any date strings, okay, how to convert this date string as a date? Okay, that is what converting date string to the date. See, guys, already you know if you give in a some specific format, okay, in Oracle Apex, let me show you clearly. In Oracle Apex, what is the default format, guys? Select sysdate from dual. What is the default format for the date? Okay, first it will give us what? Month. After this, date. Next one is what? Year. Okay, so if I give like this, there will be no problem, guys. There will be no problem. It will be considered as a date. Instead of this, if I give, if I try to give select, okay, first of all, if I give anything, guys, anything like first I want, for example, date I want, guys, 28. Okay, 28. Okay, and 02. Okay, and 19, anything, okay, 2020 or anything. This will be not considered as a date. Why? This will be considered as what? Completely text. But we know this is a date. But this Oracle, our system will not understand as a what? It has a date. So basically, this type of strings we call date strings, guys. Now our concept is how to convert this date string to a date. Okay, date string to a date. It is very simple, guys. If I explain you, okay, let's see how you can convert means. See, select. Okay, what is the data type? To date. Inside this, I can pass what? Whatever the date. For example, first I want day, guys. Date. Can you tell me any date? For example, 25 is a date. And then what is a month? Assume that second is a month and 2024 is a year. Okay. So simple, guys. Whatever date or month you want to write, you can write like this. And then please specify the format. Please specify the format. Just tell me, first one is the what?
Date.
Day, and the second one is
MM.
month, and the last one is y.
Right.
Okay, see, I am telling this Oracle system, see, applying the toDate function to this string. Currently, it is what? Text. Now, this date text is converted to date in this format from dual. Now, you can see here. This is what? Date. This is what? Date, guys. See, by default, it is a date. That's the reason. In output also, it is showing in a by default format. Don't worry, I'll give you many examples where you can understand, okay? There you can understand many things. Okay, so let's go and work with some examples, okay? See, guys, date string means nothing but anything which you have given like this. 01 January 2021 or 05, anything. That will be a date, okay? You can give any of the format, guys. You can pass in any of the format. Any of the format means, let me tell, select, okay? For example, if you have a date, which date, guys? For example, Feb hyphen 05 is a date and 2025 is the year, okay? From 12. Now it is what, guys? It will be treated as a text only. If you see the output, it will be treated as a text only. Same text it will come. It is not a, see, it is not a date. Okay. Now, if you want to convert this as a date, so what you can write? Select which function? To underscore date function. Okay. In this, you can type Feb hyphen 05 hyphen 2025. Okay, comma, and you need to specify the formatter. See, Feb. Okay, Feb is a month, right? Feb is a month, right? Like that, if you want. Okay, what you have to write? MON. What? You have to specify MON. Month, space, DD means date, space, Y. Now, this oracle will convert this is date string as a date. From where? From 12. See, guys, it is converted, right? Can I tell you the blind rule? See, whenever you run, if the date is shown in this format, means first month, then a date, then year, then nothing but it is converted in a date format. Now it is a date, guys. Now it is a date. So, in simple word, if I explain you, if I try to explain this, guys, just create one table, sample table. Create table D1. There is a table I am going to create what? D1. Okay. So in this, how many columns? Oh, okay. Assume that two columns, guys. Okay, two columns. One of the column is name column. It is variable character. Variable character size anything, guys. 10 something. Okay. And the second column is thing that date of birth. Okay, date of birth. This is what? Date column. Okay. Let's create one table. I hope everyone is following, guys. Please respond, everyone. Is it? Are you following?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay, fine. See, guys, I just created one table. Now, just check the table. Is there any data? Select star from D1. So there will be no data. Just now I created the table. Okay. Now, see, guys. Now, see. Okay. Let me insert data. Insert into which table? D1 table. Okay. Values. Okay. Values. So first one is name, for example, Shahrukh. Okay. And the second one, I'm trying to update what? Date of birth, for example, date of birth, guys. Okay. Assume that any some sample. Okay. 15 is a date. Second is a month. 1996. Okay. What is okay? If I try to insert this, what is the problem? Does it insert? What the error? What is the error, guys?
Not
Invalid
month.
Invalid month.
Not valid.
Yes. Not valid. Can you please? Okay. So, but if I do the same thing, if I do the same thing, okay, by giving first month, then hyphen 15 is a date. Now it will work. Let's see. See, one row is inserted. This is what implicit conversion is happened, guys. Implicit conversion. Okay. Now, but it is not a good thing, right? We can't expect that every time this is okay. Implicitly, it has to convert. Sometimes maybe due to some data error, there might be chances. So what is the best way? Best way, let's insert. Okay. Let's insert. Okay. Think that this time, for example, okay. Now, assume that let's take any other date, guys. As per our format, whatever you want to write. First of all, for example, I will write the date only, 24. Okay. October. Okay. 1996. For example, okay. I have given my own format, but see, I can convert this by using which function? To date. Before this, let me run this. Does it works? What it is saying error? What the error it is asking? Invalid,
Not a valid
Not a
one.
valid one.
but I can convert this. See, it is not understanding. Okay, so I will convert this as a date. See, to underscore date. Okay, now you just tell me, guys. First one is what I have. Now I need to give whatever the format I want, I will give. Next, I want to specify that format, guys. This only. First one, what I have given? Date.
Date.
DD space. I mean hyphen. Given right means slash. October. October means MON.
MON.
Okay. Next, YYY. Now this will understand, guys. Which. Just close. Okay. Now, if you see this expression, okay, I have given the format which I want, but I specified this is a format. Okay, 24 is the date, October is the month, 1996 is the year. So it will convert. Now you try to insert, it will be inserted. Inserted, right? So basically, this is a text, guys. Okay, this text I converted into the date, and okay, if I don't, if it is a, why? Because this date of birth column will accept only date data types. You can ask how it is happened. Means, see, guys, by default, Oracle is having some specific format. If we give in this specific format, it is taking, but we can't expect every time like this. Okay, data may come in different format, right? Okay, what is that means? If someone is given you to fill the form, someone told to write your date of birth. So first you mention the month, and then you mention the first you mention the date, then you mention the month, then you mention something. Okay, but someone is written like this, like Feb 02, okay, 1996. It's not a compulsory that data should come in a perfect pattern, right? Data may come in any of these. Okay, if you get the date strings in any format, we can convert the date string and we can load the data. Guys, did you understood?
Yes.
Let's see some of the examples for this. Display the employees joined on Sunday. No, this already we have seen. Display the employees, India got independence. This is some tricky question. Can anyone tell? Display on which day India got independence? You can't, it's a little complex. Can you please put some outdoor sound? Okay. See, guys, first of all, what is the Indian Independence Day? 15th August 1947. I have given text like this. Now I want to convert this as a date. If I want to convert this as a date, what is the function?
To date.
Okay. And I need to specify the format, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I am explaining the Oracle that first one is a date hyphen. See, guys, same format I am giving. And second one is a month. And the last one is YYY year. Okay. So basically, I converted this from dual. So this is converted to date, right? Now, in this, I want to fetch the day, guys. Which day it is? Which day it is? I want to fetch it. See, I can convert this as a character to char function. I can fetch the day, right? You can check here the format. If I want day, if I want day of the week means what should I mention? I mean, no. Where is this? Day. DAY
DAY.
means whether it is a Tuesday, like that, it will come. So, guys, what I will do, don't get confused. Just see this complete highlighted portion is treated as it is a date. Okay, date. Now, this date I will convert in to char function. Let's see. To underscore char function. In this toChar function, okay, in this toChar function, what I want, comma, what I want only day. Okay, I want only day. This is little bit first time you, okay. Simple guys, nothing. This is a date, right? Yesterday, if you practice means it will be easy for you. This is a date, guys. In this date, I am extracting what? Day. I am converting this into a text and I am fetching the day. I think this is Friday, guys. India got independence means 15th August 1947 is a Friday. Okay. See, 100% I am sure, guys, if you practice the last session and if you follow this session, 100% you will understand what is happened here. Okay. This just the highlighted portion is the date. Instead of this date, okay, you can directly give that uh, date also. Okay, in an understandable format. Which understandable format? What is the understandable format by the Oracle? First, we need to give what? Month 08. Next to 15th. Okay. 1947. Let's try. Does it works? Hmm. This is treating as an invalid number. It is not taking. Now let's take date. Oh. Still it is taking as an invalid number. That's the reason, guys, I converted this. Okay. I converted this as what? Date. See, this also I can convert. Wait 1 minute. Let me show you. This also I can convert. So it is not treating this as a date. So I can convert this as a date. How? To underscore date. Okay. So inside this, comma, I can give the file format. Sorry, format. First one is what? Now, This time, Next, DD. Next, Y. Okay. Now it will be converted. See, this from starting from this point to this point is a date. I passed the date into toChar function. In that, I'm expecting only day. Now it will work. Okay. Any confusion, guys? Okay. Let's see some other things. Okay. This is only one function, guys. See, if you have a dates, right? If you want to convert the date, right? Just to give in a toDate function. That's all. I don't want to give too much. We should not discuss too much, or else we'll get confused. Okay, guys. We'll see the new things. We'll see the new. Okay. Okay. Now you please tell me, date plus number is valid or not? For example, select. I give some date, guys. Let's take sysdate plus number. From which table? From day level. Does it works? What is today's date? 28th Feb 2025. Okay. So what does it mean, guys? Select sysdate plus 10 means sysdate plus 10 means what? Today's date, guys. Today's date is what?
28.
Okay. Um, 5 plus 10. Does it works? If it works, what will be the output? Please see the output and explain to me. What is happening here? It is added how many days?
10 days in the 28.
Yes. Currently for today compared, I mean, starting from today, it is added 10 days. Okay. Number plus number. Does it works? Select 10 plus 20. Does it works?
Yes.
Yes, it is also works. Now, one more thing. Select, for example, there is some text. Okay. Text plus, if I give some number. Okay, text means nothing but a string from dual. Does it works? Does it works?
No.
No. See, this is a basic some thumb rules, guys. Please keep in your mind. Okay. Very important this is. Okay, that's what I written. Date plus number, it will work. Okay. See, date plus number will work. Number plus number also works, but number plus text plus number, it won't. Okay, it won't work. Clear? Based on this, we have some scenarios, guys. We'll understand. Okay. So let's see here. Uh, see, select to date number. It will be work, but it is not works. So we need to convert okay, to date. Okay. Let's see. Let's create table person ID, and this is also no need to work. Create table while inserting the user wants to input from VD by. Oh, this is some limit, guys. This is not important. It will not work. Actually, this ampersand will not work in Oracle Apex. Okay. Now let's come to the another data type conversion, guys. What is that next type? Converting what?
Number to char.
Number to
Yes.
character.
Yes. First of all, why should we convert number to characters? Numbers are converted to character type to display the numbers in different formats, guys. Different format. Now, if I ask you, this is one format, right? Now, this is what? No, sorry. Uh, this is what, guys? This is a number only, now. This is what? This is also 1000 to read, but this is not a actual number, right? This is what? Text. But see, if we are giving someone, I mean, if you want to see, numbers are converted, why? Because to display in different formats. This is in a different format, this is in different format, right? Now, for example, same 1000 is there. 1000, comma. Now, try to understand 0.00. This is what? This is also 1000 only, right? To read this 1000 only now. Okay. Sometimes we convert numbers into a which type? Character type. Why we do this activity? To display in different format, guys. Once again, I'm repeating. See, guys, this is the number. We are converting this number into which format? Character format or variable character or text, whatever you think. Okay. First of all, why we have to do to show that numbers in different format. Okay. This format is different from this format, right? In banks, you will write now, guys. In checkbook also, you will write now like this. Okay. Let's see how we can do. See, guys, please keep these points in your mind. So 9 means represents a digit. 0 means also represents a digit. Comma is a thousands separator that we know. Dot is what? Decimal separator that also we know. L means what? Currency symbol. C means currency. Okay. Can see here. Okay. For example, there is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and here, how many nines? 5 nines is there. Let me copy and show you this, guys. You will understand. Okay. For example, okay, select to char of, okay, which function, guys? To char. Inside this to char function, what is I'm passing? What I'm passing? Number. And also in next parameter, what I'm giving? Format here. From dual. See, if you give 9 means it represents the number, guys. Now just take how many nines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so even if you have an extra nines also, it will give what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but in case of if you give zeros, guys, select from dual. Okay, so what does it gives? You just check how many zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is little bit more. Just okay. See, it gives the zero first, guys. Okay. Now you just tell me if I add one more zero, what will happen? If I add one more zero here, what will happen?
Another zero will appear in output.
Yes, yes, exactly. Okay, guys. Similarly, let's say select. Okay, already it is, we have discussed, no need to. Okay, guys, let's see here. Select. I'm giving the format, guys. See, I'm giving 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to convert this here in this format. Means first one should come. Okay, it has to change, guys. I need a thousands separator. I need what? Thousands separator. Let's see. Select 2 care of 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. Please observe the output, guys. Then only you will understand. Something you have to learn from the output. Is it showing the same format, right? Like how I have given. First 9 represents what? Digits. 9 comma 99 means 1 comma 1, 2, 3 means thousands separator, guys. Now let's see one more thing. Select from where? From dual. What will be the output? See, I have written here, but just guess. Same format it will give now. I mean, as per I mentioned here. See, guys, 1 comma 2, 3, 4 dot 0, 0. Okay. Now L means what, guys? Select from dual. What is this? L means what? Currency. It will give the currency symbol, guys. You can see by default it is what currency symbol it is giving?
Dollar.
Dollar. Okay. And C means currency. What is the difference between L and C? Just see. Select 2 car from where? From fuel. Okay. C means currency. It just shows as USD. Understood, guys? So now just tell me, if I mention dot 0, 0, what will happen? What will happen? Here also 2 zeros will be added, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what, guys. Just see, it is not much complex or nothing here, guys. Converting numbers to character. Why we convert means, you know, right? Many times we need to represent the numbers in different formats, right? Like a thousands separator, a decimal, and a currency. Okay, and a currency, everything. So for that purpose, we convert number to character data types to display the numbers in different format. That formats are like this. Okay. If you give L, comma, okay, the list is here available. Okay. How it will work. Okay. So, okay. So for example, this is a question, guys. Okay. Can anyone answer if you would understand? Simple thing only. Low system resources may affect your audio quality. Try to close some applications to improve the performance. What are the different applications I have opened? Guys, I'm audible, right? Clearly?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine. Okay, fine. I think charging. Where is the charger? Okay, fine. Okay, guys. Let's see. This is the question. Please try to answer this one. I want display employee name and salary. But salary I want to display in which format? Currency symbol I want, and also thousands separator I want. How can I do this? Okay, select. What is the first column? E-name. Second column what? Salary. From which table? From EMP table. Okay. So if I give like this, what will happen? Normal format it will come. But what I want in a different format, right? Okay. So I want to convert this salary into which format? Which data type? To-char function. In this to-char function, okay, now I will specify the format. What is the format he is asking? He want currency symbol, L. Then what he want? Thousands
9.
separator. 9, comma 999. Okay. Now you check what will happen. Is it displaying in the format which is asking? Like that, we can convert, guys. If you want to check, you can check the salary also here. Okay. Did you see the difference, guys? Okay. This is a number. This is what number? And this number is converted into a text and displaying in this format. Hope this is clear, guys. Okay. Let's quickly go and check another. Okay. Command to change the currency. See, guys, by default, it is showing which currency. It is showing which. What is the currency symbol it is showing by default?
Dollar.
Dollar, right?
Yes.
Left the meeting. Okay. Wait. Okay. Dollar, right? So that I can change to Indian also, guys. See, alter session. NLS territory. There is a one command, guys. NLS territory. What I am doing? Alter session. NLS territory equals to India. If I run this, it will change to Indian currency symbol. Statement is processed. There is no. But if not changed means don't worry. Still, it is not changing. It is not working in Oracle Apex, guys. Statement is processed, but this is a see what will happen, in normal use case. If you change this, instead of this, you have an Indian currency symbol, right? What is the Indian currency symbol?
Rupee.
Yes, rupee. Like this Hindi or this is it will come like this, no? So it has to change, but leave it, okay? It's not a big issue. Best to write alter session set NLS territory equals to India. Like that, we can change the territory currency symbols, okay? Fine, guys. Now let's go with the converting numerics to string. Now one more category, guys. Now one more category. Now opposite this one. That's why I told every day you have to practice. It is little bit make you confused. Up to now, what we have seen, converted number to what? Number to string or text or character. Now what is the heading? Can you please read, everyone? Now what we are doing?
Converting numeric string to number.
Yes. For example, up to now, if I have a number that I have converted to what? Something like this. Okay. Something like this. Okay. Means here, this is what number. This is what text. Now opposite, guys. Now opposite. If I have a numerical string, this is called numerical strings. Dot 00. I want to convert this into number. Okay. See, guys, this is very important use case, guys. Okay. You get the data in different format. Okay. To do some analysis on numbers, we do some analysis now. What is the average sales, total sales, count of sales? Okay. Okay. We have to convert that from numerical string, guys. You understood what is a date string. Now this time you have to understand numerical string to number. First of all, let's see what is the numerical string means. Okay, see, guys, numerical string means this is a, can you see here? This is called numerical string, guys. Yeah, previously you have seen what numerical, I mean, a date string. Date string means if anything is under like this, okay? This is what date string. Similarly, here numerical string. Anything, if you give anything inside the single quote, this is nothing but what, guys? Numerical string. We call them as what?
Numerical string.
Now I'll tell you what is the problem if we have a numerical string. Guys, please listen very carefully. This point, very, very important is. Okay, for example, for your understanding purpose, I will explain you. Select 1000 plus 1000 from which table? From dual table. Does it works? Yes, it is working. Now, for example, same guys, select what? 1000 plus, if I give like this, guys, something dollar symbol 1 comma dot 00 from where? From dual. See, guys, I know this is how much? 1000 only, right? But if I give like this, does it works? Does it works? No, right? That's the reason. If you remember in the starting of the session, what I told, now text plus number is what? Invalid. Okay, invalid. But if you want to do any calculations, guys, it will be very hard now. So to overcome this problem, okay, I want to convert this 1000 plus. See, guys, I want to convert to which data type this is? I want to convert this into which data type? To
Number.
work number. Can I use to underscore number function? Inside this, can I pass this now? Dollar symbol 1 comma 30.00. Now, as a next step, I need to specify the format, right? So first one is what? I want to explain the oracle. This is a number. This first one is what? L, capital L, currency, right? Next what? 9. Next, thousands separator. Dot. So, sorry, not 0. 999.99 from dual. Guys, please try to understand this. I'm converting this into which format? This is a date string. I'm trying to convert into number, but directly it won't convert, guys. You need to specify the format also, how the format is. Okay. Now, this will be, okay, this will be converted as a number in the specified format. Now it will work. Is it working, guys?
Yes.
Okay. I hope everyone understood. If not, means please let me know. Some people may feel this topic is bore. As I'm asking everyone, Niharika, this is Praveen, Pritesh, okay, Sandeep,
Understood, sir.
Yes.
okay, this is normally, so guys, tomorrow you are going as a data analyst or data engineer, guys, you have to handle the lot of data, okay? So you will get the data in different format. Think that you have a data, in that data you are having in these formats, okay, to do some calculations. See, if the data is in a string format, means like a text, can you do any calculations? No, right? So you have to, as per the project requirement, you have to do some transformation. What type of a transformation? You have to convert this numerical string, okay? Numerical string to a number. Then you have to do like this, okay? Guys, if you are a data related person, most of your work will be gone in data loading, data transformations. That's all, guys. Nothing. Loading the data from one place to another places, and as per the requirement, cleaning transformations to clean the data. This is only your work. Okay, fine. Let's go with some example. There you can understand. See, guys. See, first two number in this two number function. First, you need to pass what numerical string, and as a second parameter format you have to give. Select 1000 plus 1000. It will work, but this will not work. Why? Because here it is considering as a text. To overcome this problem, select 1000 plus two number format I have given. Okay. Okay. Inputs is date function. To date function. Okay. Okay, guys. So almost we have completed the many functions. Now it's time to understand the what special functions. As of now, what are the functions we have covered, guys? Can you please tell me? String functions,
String function, mathematical function,
mathematical
date
functions, date functions, conversion
conversion.
functions. See, these conversion functions are very simple, but if you won't practice now, you will get confused. Only this is the logic, guys. Okay. Now onwards, every function is very simple, guys. You will understand quickly. Now this is the time to understand the some special functions in Oracle. Not only in Oracle, the same functions will apply in the Snowflake also. Okay. So there is a function called NVL function. Okay, NVL function. So what is the use of this NVL function means this function is used to convert the null values. Null values. Okay, there are null values. This function is useful to convert. Used in the arithmetic calculations. NVL of argument 1, argument 2. If argument 1 is null, then returns. Okay. I'll show you guys. I'll show you. First of all, for example, you have to answer me. Okay. Just see, select, okay, star from EMP. Select star from EMP. Okay. So can you see there is some null values are there? In which column we have a nulls? In which column, guys? There is a commission column. There is a column called commission. In this column we have nulls. Okay. So wherever I have a nulls, guys, wherever I have a null, I want to replace that places with 0. Understood? What is my requirement? I want to replace with 0 wherever nulls in commission column. Understood? See, if you have a values, you should not disturb the values, guys. What I mean to say, 300 is available. It has to stay 300 only. But wherever you have a nulls, 300, 500, 1400, 0, they are the values, guys. It should not disturb the original values, but it has, okay, wherever I have a nulls, okay, it has to fill with 0. Okay, so how can I do means there is a function, guys. See, select, for example, as a first column e name, second column is a salary, okay, third column as a commission, and the fourth column, let me show you which function, NVL function. In this NVL function, what I want to pass, commission column I am passing, okay, and wherever I have a nulls, what has to replace it with?
0.
0. That's all, guys. Two arguments, only two arguments. First, you have to give the column name. Second one, wherever in this column, wherever you have a nulls, it is going to replace with what? 0. From which table? From EMP table. Can you see this, guys? You can observe. Why? Because I have written the commission. See, wherever you have a 300, 500, 1400, 0, is it anything changed? No.
No.
But only in place of nulls, it is filled with 0. That is called NVL function, guys. NVL function is used to handle the nulls. Clear? Clear, guys?
Yes,
Not
clear.
only 0, not only 0. You can do anything, guys. You can do anything. You can do 12 also. Whatever you want, you can do. See, wherever it is null, it is replaced with 12. Okay. Now everyone has to answer one question, guys. Now I'm going to ask one question. See, wherever I have a null, I want to write like this. What is the meaning of this command, guys? Select employee name, salary, commission, NVL of commission, comma, null. So what is the meaning of this?
Zero commission, no commission.
Generally, function meaning is, I mean, what is happening here? Wherever I have a null, I want to write as a NULL, right?
Yes.
Okay.
It's
Means
a string null, sir.
NULL, like this, everywhere. This is what I want now, as per my command, as per this. But here, I think here I have written. Does it works, guys? Or else you are getting, if you are getting confused, say no data. You have to write like no data. Like this you want to write. Okay. Wherever you have a null, you want to write like no data. Here like no data. Does it works, guys? Does it works? What I'm saying? Even you don't know also, you can assume say yes or no, not at all problem.
This
Mhm. See,
will the second argument text string format?
it won't work. It won't work. The reason, the reason why it won't work, just see, uh, describe table EMP. This is what sometimes it gives error. Sometimes if it is a network, see guys, this commission column is what? This commission column is what data type?
Number.
Okay, that means the commission column, this commission column is made for what data type to insert? Okay, I can pass here numbers. Okay, numbers. Okay, numbers. Okay, whenever I just given the 0 or 12, is there any error? Whenever I use the function NVL, right? By using NVL function, wherever the nulls are available, in that case, I replaced with the 0 or 12. Did we got any error?
No.
No. Why? Because the data type, this column data type is what? Numbers. And also I'm passing what? Numbers. So there will be no any error. But this time, I just try to pass what? No data. Means string, right?
String.
String. Okay, so already here you have a numbers, but this is a column made for the numbers, but I try to pass the text. In single column, multiple data types won't work, right? For example, this is a column. If I pass the numbers, this column only support for the numbers. If this is a column I created for the date, means I can pass only what? Date values. This is a column for text, means only for text. Here I will write the text. Here I will write the numbers. Here I will pass the date, means it is not at all possible, guys. Hope you understand, everyone.
Yeah.
In a column, whatever the column data type we mentioned, that only we need to pass. That's the reason when I give a 10 and 12, there is no any error. But when I try to give the string, means text, we got the error. So how can I overcome this problem? For example, I want to change. So already, can I change this into a date? I mean, can I change this to, see guys, select ename, salary, commission column, comma, okay, NVL of which column? Commission column. Can I convert this commission column to two-char function?
Yes.
Now what
Yes.
happened? This two-char function is converted to what data type?
Character.
Character, nothing but then no data. Now you can see, guys. You will get confused. Sorry. Nothing, guys. See, completely this two-char column, while I am displaying, I just converted this to character data type, and also I am passing what? Characters only, nothing. So there will be no any error. Understood what I have done here? That is what importance of conversion functions, guys. Okay. See, now there is no any error. Wherever I have a null, it is replaced with what? It is replaced with no data. But wherever I have some number, this is also a text only, guys. Now, this is also a text. Nothing, guys. This type of things you will get confused. That's why, see, commission is a number that I converted into what? Character data type. And also, wherever I have a null, I'm trying to pass the characters. So both are, this also a characters and this also a character. Both column I have changed, right? Complete column I have changed it to text data type. So there will be no any problem. Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Let's see. That is about the NVL function, guys. Salary select. There will be some. So I just found one interview question in last. Okay, in last day. Guys, this is very important. This is an interview question. One of my friend faced last week. Now let's see, guys. Select salary plus 500 from EMP. Does it works? Does it works or not? This is an interview question, guys. Please focus.
Yes, it's work.
It works. See, salary will be, if you want to check, you can check like this. Salary, comma, 500. You can check. See, this is our original salary. 500 is added. Now, for example, select salary, comma, salary plus commission. From where? From EMP. Does it works?
Yes.
No.
Yes, okay.
See, commission is not adding here. What I mean to say,
But Shahrukh, the data type is number.
data type is a number. Let me tell you. For example, select so 100 plus, if you give null. Let me wait, guys. Wait. Invalid number. What I mean to say, just wait 1 minute, guys. See. Okay. Select employee name, salary, commission. Okay. Why it is working? It should not work actually. This is what I want, for example. This is what I want. Just tell me anyone, what is the answer? Select the first column, what I want.
E-name.
Okay. Guys, here you will get a clarity. Okay. Select e-name.
Name,
Second column, salary,
commission,
commission, comma, total salary. Total salary means what?
sum of
salary plus, no, I'm not asking annual salary. Annual salary means salary multiplied by 12. Total salary means salary plus commission is nothing but total salary, right?
Yeah.
Total salary. From which table? From EMP table. Sorry. EMP table. Now you have to understand one thing here. Now you have to understand. See, guys, it is why it is not total salary is not getting values. Why it is not 5,000 is not added with the commission. This is interview question, guys. Please focus, everyone. Why? Because see, null means we don't know now what is there. For example, 500 is there. Okay, 5,000 is there. There is a 5,000 plus 500 means 500 means it has a meaning. It has a meaning. So it is nothing but 5,500. But 5,000 you are adding with null means don't know now. Means null means what? Empty. We are adding with empty. So we can't able to tell the answer, right? Is it meaning 500 plus null? How much means? Does it mean, guys?
Oh,
No.
No. Means we don't know. So that's why when you add, what is the output we are getting? Null only. But wherever you have a values, guys, see, wherever you have a values, you can scroll there. See, this 1600, okay, this 1600 is added with the 300. What it is showing? 1900. Why? Because number is added with number. Okay, number is added with the number. Then I have an output. But when number is added with the empty, I mean, null,
none.
we don't have a output. But my client is asking, what he is asking, what we want. See, his monthly salary is 1900. He is at least 800. Here 800 should come. Here what it should come? 800. If null means he's not having commission, then at least he need a monthly salary, right? So how can we do this? Okay, in simple, guys. Simple to overcome this problem. Can I do like this? Select e-name, comma, salary, comma, commission. Okay. Next is salary. Okay. Salary plus, I will pass what? NVL function. In this NVL function, wherever I have a commission as a null, I want to replace with what? 0. Then what it will happen? It will replace all the nulls with the 0. 0 plus 800 means what output will come to me?
800.
800.
Problem solved, right? 800, for example, plus 0. Okay, wherever I have a nulls, it is going to replace with the 0. Then 800 plus 0 means it is meaning. Then I will get the salary, right? As total underscore salary from which table? From EMP table. Now, sir, problem solved, right? See, 500 in place of commission, it is replaced with due to NVL function, it is replaced with the 0. 5,000 plus 0. How much? 5,000. But in case of this employees, 1600 plus 300, 1900. Understood the importance of NVL function, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. See, if anyone asks you what will happen if you number with null, means you can say that no result. You have to answer no result. It will be null only. Still it is any number plus null is null only, guys. Any number plus null only. Okay. We faced 2 days back this question. Okay. Okay, fine, guys. This is a solution for this. And okay. Select employee name commission as an NVL. Okay, this already we have discussed, guys. If I give number, it will take, but if I give any text, it won't take. Why? Because By default, it is commission column is related to numeric data type. So we can convert it to two-char form and we can give. Okay. Let's go with another function, guys. Okay. NVL2. See, guys, only two functions are there, NVL2 and Colels function. After this, I will stop this discussion. What is the time? When did we start? Can I continue for the up to 11:30? Is it okay? I'm asking
Yes,
you.
sir.
Yeah, please. We have a lot of portion,
Yes.
guys. Okay, please support me. We'll complete this. Okay, there is a NVL2 function. What is this NVL2 function? Converts both nulls and not nulls also. This is some tricky, guys. You please answer me. In this NVL2 function, how many arguments will pass? NVL. NVL function only two. NVL2, there is a function called NVL2. How many arguments? A argument 1, comma, argument 2, comma, argument 3. Okay. So what is the logic here means? Okay. See, if argument 1, if argument 1 is null, then returns the third argument. Means if the first value is null, guys, if the first value is null, then it returns what? Third argument. Similarly, if the first value is value, if the argument is not null, okay, if argument is not equals to null, if this is not null, then it returns what? Second argument. Simple, guys. For example, if you have a commission column, okay, update the employee's commission as follows. If the commission is 0, if commission equals to null, then 500. If commission is not null, increase by 200. Let's see. Okay. You just update not display. First, we'll talk about display. Okay, display. See, guys, what I want. What is the condition here? If already some employee is available, is already if this employee is not having commission, means for him how much commission should be granted? 500. And there is some other employees also available who are already having some commission, right? There is some employees are there now who is already having commission, means the employees who are having already commission, for them I want to increase just 200. First of all, understood the question? Employees who are having the commission, if they don't have a commission, what they want? They want to increase the, they should have a 500 as a commission. If already having person, how much? 200. Let's see, guys, let's see. I'll show you first of all how this NVL function select NVL. Okay, NVL of, if there is a null, then it has to replace with what? 10 from dual. So what will be the output? First tell me about what will be the output. Just the NVL function, tell me. So I passed
Every
the
null in
null.
the table replaced with the 10.
See, in not the table, first what is the value here? What I am
Null.
passing? Null. So it's going to replace with what?
10.
10. In output, what I get? 10. Okay, you can see here. In output, what I'll get? 10. Instead of this, in the same NVL function, select N, okay, VL, NVL of, if I give some value, like for example, 5,000, comma, 10. So from dual, what will be the output?
5010.
No, 5,010 why? If it is a null only, it is going to replace with the 10, guys. If you have a value, it gives the value now, direct value only it will give. See, in commission column also, wherever it is having a null, that place only it is replaced with a zero. Wherever you have a virginal values, means not null values, it is giving the same values like 800, 1400 something. See guys, first argument in NVL function, this is a first argument, this is a second argument. If the first argument is null, then it is replaced with what? Second argument. If the first value is not null, then it will give the same value. This is about the NVL function. Now, what is NVL2 is? Let's see. Select. Okay. Just copy and paste this one. From 12. Okay, guys. So what is the logic of the NVL2 function? If the argument 1 is null, if the first argument is null, then what it will give?
Third argument.
Third argument. Now tell me, the first argument is null here.
No.
Then it won't give the third argument. It will give what?
Second argument.
Second is how much?
200.
200. That's all, guys. See, 200. Okay. Now I'll tell you another scenario. Same scenario. Select. Instead of 100, the first argument is what now? First argument is what?
Null.
Null. If the first argument is null, then it will give what? NVL2 function.
300.
Third argument. That's all, guys. If it is a value, it will give the second value. If it is a value, if it is a null, then it will give what? Third argument. That's all. Just a simple. It's like a puzzle. Okay. Now I have a requirement, guys. What is that? Display the employee's commission as follows. If the commission is null, I want to update as a 500. If the commission is not null, then I want to increase the commission with 200. Okay. Let's see how I can do. Select ename, comma, salary, comma, commission. Okay. Now NVL2 function. Okay. If it is a null, if it is null means if it is a null means what should give, guys? So sorry, if it is a commission column. If the commission column has value, then it returns what? Second.
Increased by 200. Second argument.
500.
If it is having a value, if it is having a value, it returns what? Second argument. Okay. Means if anyone having already commission, then what I want, as I say, commission plus 200. Okay. If it is a null, means how much I want? Directly 500. From which table? From 12 table. Commission is invalid identifier. Where it is not invalid?
EMP.
By mistake, dual we have written. Na? Okay. You will understand, guys, instead of me. See, whoever is, you can see the output, guys. You can see the output. You can see here. See, 5,000. He's not having the commission. Now it is updated the commission how much? 500. And to the person who is already having commission, means 300 is a commission. It is added 200, right?
Yes.
The one who is not having the commission, for that person, it is updated with 500. But already the one who is earning, he got 200 extra. Like that, we have written a condition by using NVL function 2. Okay, guys, you practice this, then you will understand. Okay, now the last one, guys. Scolens function is very important, but I will explain you tomorrow first hour. Okay. Now let's see, guys, if and else, how to implement the if and else. Okay. See, this is called case statements, guys. I'll tell you one thing here. There is no any code in Snowflake without having case statements, guys. Means when you are working in real-time data, this 95% in course, you will find this, whatever I'm going to teach you right now. Okay. 95% chances you will see any of the lines. See, for example, if you have 200, 300 lines of code, in that somewhere, this case statement logic will be written. Okay. So very, very important, guys. Please observe right now. See that why, guys, please see here. Today, I explained the Snowflake section. In Snowflake section today, see, I have written the case statement, right? Can you see here? When, okay, then. Can you see? When and then. This is nothing but a case statement, okay? Try to understand what is a case statement. If you understand in Snowflake, I mean, in SQL, right? When I explain you the Snowflake, it will be easy for you, okay? Please listen very carefully. Okay. It's a very simple, guys. There is a simple case, a searched case, two type of a cases is available. Okay. Instead of this now, simply in simple, directly I'll explain you. This is what I want to display, guys. Okay. See, I want to display what employee name and his job. Okay. But what is the condition? If the job is clerk, I want to display him as what? Worker. If he is a manager, then I want to display him as a boss. If he's a president, I want to show him as a big boss. For all other employees, I want to just keep them as a employees. Okay. First, let me write the code, then you will understand clearly. Okay. So select as a first column, what I want, guys? E-name. Okay. Let's write job also. Does it works or not properly? We'll see. Now I'll start the case statement, writing the case statement. See, case. Okay, case. This case, how would we can write case based on job? Okay. Case. See, guys, based on which column I'm trying to give these names? Job column, right? Based on which column I'm trying to write this case statement? Which column? Job, right? Job. Okay. When? See, guys, when the job equals to what? Clerk. Then what I want to display? Please respond.
Worker.
Guys.
Worker.
Yes, worker. What I want to worker. Okay. Next, again, when same job is like what? Manager.
Manager.
Manager. Then you have to display it as what? Boss.
Boss.
Next, when there is who president, then I want to display him as what? Big boss. Okay. And then finally, okay, finally what? Else condition. You know, right? Else. Else means what, guys? When it is a
Meaning.
clerk, then worker. When it is a manager, then boss. When he is a president, big boss. Remaining everyone else in else condition, I can write else what? Employee means instead of these three people, whatever other job roles are there, for them, I want to display as employees. Okay. Finally, you have to end this. Guys, whatever the portion I am going to highlight, this will be a single column. This is a single column. Okay. Everything from which table? All this from which table?
EMP.
Yes. From EMP. See, guys, employee name is a first column, job is a second column, third one is this case statement. I think everything is fine. Let me check. No need a commas also. Fine. Can you see this, guys? First column is what? Employee name. employee name. And second column is what? Job. And the third column, based on this case statement, wherever I have a president. A president, oh, spelling mistake, guys. See, it is a spelling mistake. That's why president should come as a big boss, right? President, D-E-N-T, right? President. See, president is a big boss. Is it correct? What I have done? Simple, guys. This is completely a single column. Okay. Just here, keywords are what? Just we need to start the case based on which column we are doing. When clerk, then worker. When manager, then boss. When president, then big boss. Else means instead of all these cases, else I want to display as an employee. See, for salesman, did I write any condition, guys, here? No, no. Then he will comes under else condition. Else employee. Okay, see, this column name is very big. So how we can write can we write alias? As alias name can we write now as, I will write job role. Can I give this column as a job role? See, now it will display as what? Job role. Hope everyone understood. If not, means please let me know. Okay, this is the only first condition. Let me write some other conditions also. You will understand how these case statements will work. Not this one. Okay, I write one more condition, guys. Okay, let me write. Okay, guys, I want to write some salary range. Salary range. Please tell me, everyone. Salary range means if the person is earning salary greater than, below 1,000. Below 1,000. Some voice is getting. Okay, below 1,000 means low salary. Low salary. Okay, and one more condition is what? Okay, above salary means if he get to around 3,000 salary, or else 2,500. 2,500. Okay, high salary. I want to label him as what? High salary. Okay, between this 1,000 to 2,500. Okay, between this 1,000 to 2,500. So I want to display him as what? Average salary. Understood? This is what my requirement, guys. How can I do this? Simple, guys. Simple. Here also you can see. Select. First I want employee name. Next is salary. Now I want salary status. This I will give as a salary status. Now you can start the case statement. Okay. Case. Based on which column, guys? Based on which column? Salary column, right? But here I can't able to give directly here. I will go down. Why? Because it is a greater than less than. Okay. Where if, when, see, when salary is greater than or less than how much? 1,000. Okay. Then what I have to display? Low salary. Okay. Then again I will write one more when condition. When salary is greater than 2,000. Okay. 2,500 or equals to, also you can mention if you want 2,000 or 2,000 or equals to high salary. High salary. Okay. Else. Guys, I no need to write the condition from 1,000 to 2,500. Why? Because if the one who is below 2,000 and another condition I have written above 2,500, what is the remaining thing now? A range between 1,000 to 2,500, right? Directly I will write what? For them, average underscore salary. Okay, finally, I will end this case statement. I will name this as what? Salary underscore status. From which table? All this from which table?
Okay, Sharu. I have a doubt.
Employee.
Yeah, please.
Why don't we write job after that case statement?
You are asking job
Yes.
here, right?
Yes.
See, if it is a equals to symbol, means here you can see job equals to clerk means okay. But here, if you remove, sorry. You are saying that why not we write here salary, right?
Yes.
See, it is like some different, guys. See, while we are, if it is a equals to operator, salary equals to 1000 means it will work. But see, you are comparing now something greater than, less than you are using right now. You are also, see, you can do here also, instead of this, here you can also write, okay, job equals to, where job equals to, it will also work. But when it is a equals to operator, you can write on the top and directly you can write the values. But in case of like up means like this, guys, greater than, less than, right? You have to specify particularly salary greater than or less than, like that. Understood or
Okay.
not?
Okay, understood.
Okay, see, directly here for all the values, you can write the job equals to. So you can give case job when, okay? But here what less than, greater than we are using now. That's the reason it is better to start case when salary condition you can write. These are perfect method. You can also do here same. Okay, let's check. See, guys. See, you can write, you can see here. Okay, employee name, salary, and also the last one is what? Case statement, salary status. You can see this, guys. As per our logic, it is working or not. Okay, see, the one who is having salary greater than 2500 is a high salary. Okay, the one who is having a salary between 1000 to 2500, what it is displaying? Average salary. And low salary means less than 1000 are low salary. See, this 900 is a low salary. Again, 800 is also a low salary. I hope everyone understood, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. Please practice this. Let me share this in a group. Let me stop this recording first of all. Guys, do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts? In tomorrow's session, we can see it's very important, guys. See, some use cases we will see. Here I have, guys. Okay, low salary, high salary logics I have. And analytical functions, guys, very, very important. Rank, dense rank. You may see in most of the interviews this question, what is the difference between rank and dense rank? Okay, you can see. Once we complete this now, then we can start these functions. What aggregation functions? This is also very simple. Okay, but very, very important, guys, to do some analytics. If you are an analyst, these functions will be useful for you. And then finally, we'll talk the summary of these functions like string functions, mathematical, date, conversion, special, all these things. Then we can go to the new topic, group by. Okay. Okay. Do you have any doubts today, guys? So what is my suggestion is please practice. And if you get any errors, please post it in the group. Okay. Okay, all of you, thanks for joining. I'll stop this recording. If you have any doubts, you can ask.